Okay, so it's Sunday and Johnny B's in Walsall is having a cars and coffee meet that is themed Halloween. So I thought I'd take a gander down here and see what's what. I've been to Johnny B's, I think to one of these coffee meets like 4 or 5 times now, so I'm actually quite comfortable coming. They're really awesome people. Obviously they stock stamps detailing, so it's a really good way for me to come down and see see what the score is, see what's new, see what's going on. And also, because we do a lot of car shows like in the Midlands, I know quite a few of the people here already, so it's actually quite cool to be able to catch up with them as well. Because it's difficult to catch up with people or see people at a show because we have so many people coming through and I can't give everyone like 10, 15 minutes of my time or something. But somewhere here in a really chilled environment, you can have a conversation with someone if you want to. But yeah, no, so this is Johnny B's and let me show you what their cars and coffee is all about.